All right, so now that we've analyzed and know what makes up a good deal, now we have to figure out where we can go to find accurate, good data on comping the property, right? Because that's the next step. You're talking to a seller, they have a property they want to sell. Now you got to find out what the ARV is, what the value is, and what's a good deal on the property. So right now we'll talk about the data. Where do you go? So right here, first thing you're going to want to do if you have access to this is you're going to want MLS data. You're going to get MLS access from an agent. If you are an agent, you already have MLS access, but that's the very top one. That's going to be able to run legit comps. You're going to have accurate data, and that's the best you got. So next is PropStream. PropStream is a must for analyzing properties in this industry. You're running comps. If you don't have PropStream, message me, or we'll send you the link to get it. It's imperative that you have it. Now Flipster, that's from Jerry Norton. He has a software that pretty much pulls the data from Zillow and all the other softwares like that, websites, and pulls it. So Flipster's pretty good. I personally use Zillow all the time to run my comps to see what's for sale and what's sold. Now, Zillow doesn't always have accurate data. That's why MLS is the best. Then it's PropStream, but Zillow is good too. And then you have Trulia, Redfin, all those other ones like Realtor.com. I didn't list them all because they're all pretty much the same. If you put in an address, it's going to find it for you. So that is where you're going to find the data to comp. And obviously we're going to continue, but the next video we're going to show you how to comp. All right, so there you go.